here. See over here? See the bushing? See
Yeah.
how it's tight?
Yeah.
See over here? See how much loose it has? So when you do this, and you wiggle it a little bit, you get movement of this linkage, but no movement of